లైన్స్ అండ్ యాంగిల్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకోవాలి అంటే సమ్ బేసిక్ టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అవి చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ పాయింట్. వాట్ ఈస్ అ పాయింట్? పాయింట్ అంటే ఏమి? ఇట్ ఇండికేట్స్ an exact location in the space. అంటే ఎక్కడైనా ఏ స్పేస్ లో అయినా, సపోజ్ పేపర్ మీద కానీ ఎక్కడైనా సరే స్పేస్ లో ఒక ఎగ్జాక్ట్ లొకేషన్ ని చెప్పేదాన్ని పాయింట్ అంటాము. బట్ ద పాయింట్ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ద లెంత్, not have length, breadth and then height. This is the point. Okay. Next, line and what is a line? It is a straight path, extends both the sides endlessly. రెండు సైడ్స్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది, స్టాప్ అనేది ఉండదు, దాన్ని లైన్ అంటాము. ఎప్పుడు కానీ whenever we are denoting a line, we should denote with the small letters like L, M, small n. Don't write with the capital L and then capital N or capital M. Always use with the small letters. ఎప్పుడు స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ తో డినోట్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ ప్లేన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ఎ ప్లేన్? ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫ్లాట్ సర్ఫేస్. ఇట్ ఎక్స్టెండ్స్ indefinitely in all directions. In all the four directions it will extends. For example, walls of a home. This is an example for plane. Next, line segment. It is a portion of a line. It is some portion of the line. మనకి లైన్ అనేది తెలుసు కదా, లైన్ బోత్ ద సైడ్స్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ అవుతుంది. లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ అంటే లైన్ లో ఒక పోర్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లైన్ హ్యావింగ్ ద డెఫినెట్ లెంత్. లైన్ బోత్ ద సైడ్స్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ అవుతుంది, బట్ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ అంటే సమ్ పోర్షన్ అంటే ఒక డెఫినెట్ లెంత్ వరకు మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. దట్ వీఆర్ డినోటింగ్ విత్ ద ఏ అండ్ బి. దీన్ని మనం ఎలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం అంటే వీఆర్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్ దిస్ యాజ్ ఏ ఏబి బార్. సో లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్. నెక్స్ట్, రే. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లైన్ దట్ ఎక్స్టెండ్స్ ఇండెఫినెట్లీ ఇన్ వన్ డైరెక్షన్. లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ అంటే డెఫినెట్ లెంత్ ఉంటుంది, బట్ రేక్ వచ్చేసి ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది, నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ సైడ్ ఇది ఎక్స్టెండ్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, దీన్ని వీఆర్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్ యాజ్ ఏ ఓ. ఎక్కడైతే ఎక్స్టెండ్ అవుతుందో ఓ దగ్గర ఎక్స్టెండ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఏఓ రే అండ్ దెన్ దిస్ వన్ ఓఏ రే. సో సమ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ చూద్దాము లైన్స్ కి. ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి an unlimited number of lines can be drawn through a given point. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఒక పాయింట్ అనుకున్నాము, ఈ పాయింట్ నుంచి అన్లిమిటెడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ ని మనం డ్రా చేయొచ్చు. ఇది ఎల్ అనుకుందాం, ఎం లైన్, ఎన్. ఇది పాయింట్, ఓ పాయింట్, పి పాయింట్ అనుకుందాం. P is the point. ఇట్లా మనం అన్లిమిటెడ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ ని మనం డ్రా చేయొచ్చు. అలా. సో నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్ వచ్చేసి, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాపర్టీ వచ్చేసి, టూ లైన్స్ either intersect each other or at one point or they are parallel. If the two lines is intersecting at a point, the point of intersection, the point we are calling as the point of intersection. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇలా స్పేస్ లో టూ లైన్స్ వచ్చేసి పారలల్ గా అయినా ఉండొచ్చు, లేదా టూ లైన్స్ అనేది ఏ పాయింట్ దగ్గరైనా ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఎల్ అండ్ ఎన్. ఇక్కడ ఏ లైన్ ఎక్కడ పాయింట్ ఎక్కడైతే ఈ రెండు ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అయ్యాయో దాన్ని P గా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. దాన్ని పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ అంటాం. ఇంకో ఇట్లా కానీ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ మిడిల్ అని ఏం లేదు, ఎక్కడైనా ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు. దీన్ని పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ అంటాం. నెక్స్ట్, టూ పాయింట్స్ డిటర్మైన్ ఏ యూనిట్ లైన్. ఆ లైన్ ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేసే టూ పాయింట్స్ A and B. సో ఇక్కడ కొలీనియర్ పాయింట్స్ అంటే ఏమి, కాంకరెంట్ లైన్స్ అంటే ఏమి చూద్దాము. కొలీనియర్ పాయింట్స్ అంటే 3 or more పాయింట్స్ విచ్ లై ఆన్ ద సేమ్ లైన్. 3 కానీ అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ పాయింట్స్ ఒకే లైన్ మీద ఉంటే దాన్ని కొలీనియర్ పాయింట్స్ అంటాము. ఆ లైన్ ఏమి అంటామంటే లైన్ ఆఫ్ కొలీనియారిటీ. ద లైన్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ అ లైన్ ఆఫ్ కొలీనియారిటీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇది ఒక లైన్, ఎల్ లైన్, 1 A B C. దీన్ని కొలీనియర్ పాయింట్స్ అంటాము. ఇట్లుంటే కొలీనియర్ పాయింట్స్ అనేది సేమ్ లైన్ మీద 3 కానీ లేదా B C D ఇట్లా ఏ పాయింట్స్ అయినా ఉన్నా దాన్ని కొలీనియర్ పాయింట్స్ అంటాం. అది నాన్ కొలీనియర్ అంటే A B, ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడైనా C ఉండి, ఇక్కడ D ఉండి, ఇక్కడ E ఉండి ఇట్లున్నాయి అంటే వీటిని నాన్ కొలీనియర్ పాయింట్స్ అంటారు. నెక్స్ట్ కాంకరెంట్ లైన్స్. 3 or more lines in a plane concurrent if all of them pass through the same line. 3 కానీ 4 కానీ 5 కానీ 10 కానీ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ లైన్స్ ఒకే పాయింట్ ద్వారా పాస్ అయితే దాన్ని కాంకరెంట్ లైన్స్ అంటాము. అలా కాకుండా వేరే వేరే పాయింట్స్ ద్వారా పాస్ అయినాయంటే నాన్ కాంకరెంట్ లైన్స్ అంటాం. ఆ పాయింట్ ఏమే అంటామంటే పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కాంకరెన్సీ. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి, ఇది ఒక పాయింట్ ఎల్ లైన్, ఎం లైన్ and then n line. దీన్ని పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇక్కడ ఉండే పాయింట్ ఏమంటామంటే పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కాంకరెన్సీ అంటాము. అదే ఇక్కడ నాన్ కాంకరెంట్ లైన్స్ అంటే సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ ఎల్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఎం ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఎన్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ అండ్ ఎం సేమ్ పాయింట్ ద్వారా పాస్ అవుతుంది, బట్ ఇక్కడ ఎల్ అనేది డిఫరెంట్ పాయింట్ ద్వారా పాస్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇది నాన్ కాంకరెంట్. మీన్స్ inclination between the two rays which have the same initial point. Means here it is the initial point, one ray, and then another ray. From here to here, how much distance? That angle is there, that we are calling as the angle. Ray 2, and then ray 1, ray 2, O is the initial point, and then ray 1 A, OA, and then O. This we are representing the angle AOB. Angle as a rotation. It means rotating a single ray about its vertex. That amount of rotation we are measuring it as the measure of angle. See here it is a starting point 0, so O, so 0 degrees rotation, and then here 1/4th rotation, so it is a 90 degrees. Here it is a 1/2, half of the rotation, so it is a 180 degrees, and then here 3/4th rotation, we are taking it as a 270 degrees, and here one complete rotation is equals to 360 degrees, representing with this symbol. And then degree, we are representing this one. Down you have to write the 90 degrees means 90, and then up you have to write this like a small O, 90 degrees. And then one complete rotation is equals to 360 degrees. That means 360 equal parts. So 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. This line we are representing as the minutes. This one dash. And then 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. This already we know. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. These two lines means for seconds representation. Here are some types of angles. First one is acute angle. Acute angle means the angle lies in between the 0 to 90 degrees. That means the angle is more than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees. And ఏదైనా ఒక యాంగిల్ 0 degrees కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలా లేదా 90 degrees కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండాలా. ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఇది 90 degrees అనుకుందాం. ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ ఉంటే యాక్చువల్ గా ఇది 90 degrees అవుతుంది. బట్ 89 ఉన్నా కానీ దాన్ని మనము అక్యూట్ యాంగిల్ అనే అంటాము. 0 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలా 90 కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండాలా. సో 89, 23 or 54, any angle, but it is more than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees. And then right angle. Right angle means it should be exact 90 degrees. Exact 90 degrees. And then acute, any number, any angle lies between the 90 to 180 degrees. That angle we are saying as a obtuse angle. For example, here 154 or 160 up to 179. From 91 to 179. Any number is, any angle is there, that we are saying as a obtuse angle. And then reflex angle. Reflex angle in the sense it is more than 180 degrees but it is less than 360 degrees. It is a more than 100 degrees but less than 360 degrees. In between 250, from 181 to 350 minutes. Any angle is there that we are saying as the reflex angle. 295. Any angle. We are saying it as a reflex angle. And then complete angle. Complete angle in the sense exact 360 degrees. On complete rotation, we are calling it as a complete angle. And then adjacent angle. Adjacent angle in the sense two angles have the common vertex and then common arm. For example, see here O is the vertex and then A, here one arm OB and then another one OC. So here this one, two angles, one angle is AOB, another angle is AOC. These two angles have the same arm and then same vertex and then same arm. But that two arms should be opposite sides. See here this arm and then OA and then OC have opposite side. Adjacent angle ante same vertex undala, two angles ki same arm undala. So but మిగిలిన రెండు ఆర్మ్స్ ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్స్ లో ఉండాలి. దాన్ని కామన్ ఆర్మ్ కి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్స్ లో ఉండాలి. దాన్ని అడ్జసెంట్ యాంగిల్ అనేసి. Another one, complementary angle. Complementary angle means if any two angles the sum is 90 degrees, then we are calling it as a complementary angle. That For example, 35 degrees, 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Otherwise, 85 degrees and 5 degrees. One angle is 30 and then another angle is 60. So, if you sum these two, 30 plus 60 is 90 degrees. And then 85 plus 5 degrees also 90 degrees. Like that, any two angles, the sum is 90 degrees. Then that two we are calling as that each angle is complement to other. And then supplementary angle, same. Two angles have the two angles sum is 180 degrees. Then the each angle is the supplementary to the other angle. For example, 150 plus 30 degrees. One angle is 150 degrees and then another angle is 30 degrees. Then the total sum is 180 degrees. So 30 degrees is supplementary to the 150 degrees. Otherwise 150 degrees is supplementary angle to the 30 degrees. Like equal angles means two angles have the same measure. First angle 1, angle A is equals to 30 degrees means, and then angle B also should be the 30 degrees only. If two angles are same measure, then we are calling as the equal angles. Two angles ki same degrees, same measurement undala. 30 degrees aithe 30, first angle 30 aithe second angle also 30 degrees atla. Leda 40 aithe 40, 50 aithe 50 atla undala. Next, vertically opposite angles. Two intersecting lines having a no common arm. For example, here. These are the two intersecting lines. But here no common arm. This we are calling as the vertically opposite angles. Always the vertically opposite angles are equal. This we are taking as the A angle and then B, C and D. So, angle A is equals to angle C. These two are vertically opposite angle. So, this is always equal. If your angle A is 30 degrees means angle C also 30 degrees only. Like that only, angle B is equals to the angle D. For example, here 50 degrees means this B also 50 degrees. Bisector of an angle, a line that divides an angle into two equal parts. For example, here the one line. This is the one arm. Then it is any line is dividing this one angle. For example, this is the angle. If any line is divided into this angle in a equal parts, then we are calling it as a bisector of an angle. And a linear pair, adjacent angles whose two non-common arms are opposite rays will form the linear pair. For example, angle AOB plus angle AOC plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degrees. Angles one side of the straight line. For example, see here, this is one angle X, another angle Y, another angle Z. So, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equals to 180 degrees. It may be any angle, but the total angle sum is 180 degrees. Like that only sum of angles at the round point. Round point means from here to here. One angle, 2, 3, 4. Angle X, Y, Z, and then any other number, B and C. So, angle X plus, angle Y plus, angle Z plus, angle B plus angle C is equals to 360 degrees. So, if any question like this, find the complement of 58 degrees. Just remember these steps. For example, first we have to write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to complement in the sense if two angles are equal to the 90 degrees. So, this I am taking it as the angle 1. 58 degrees. We know that. But another angle we don't know. So that we have to assume that it has a x is equals to 90 degrees. So here we need to find the x value. That is angle 2 value we need to find. So x as it is you just write it and then 90 degrees. Here it is in the addition. If it goes to the opposite to the equal to, the sign will change, that is minus. So 58 degrees. So x is equals to 90 minus 58. We have to do 90 minus 58. So 0 minus 8 is not possible. We have to take it borrow. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Then here it is a 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. So x is equals to 32 degrees. If they given directly in the degrees, it is very easy. Next, if any question like that degrees and then already I taught this one line means minute. Correct? So we need to convert question also to the minutes and then we have to do this one. Follow the same steps. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 90 degrees. So angle 1 we know that 35 degrees 32 minutes plus angle 2 we don't know. So assume it as a x is equals to 90 degrees. So write the same as it is 35 degrees 32 minutes and x is equals to this I am converting into the degrees and then minutes. So 1 minute is equals to 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. So here I am writing 90 as the 89 degrees and then 60 minutes. Correct? And 35. Now I need to find the x value. So x is equals to 89 degrees 60 minutes minus 35 degrees 32 minutes. So subtract degrees from the degrees and then minutes from the minutes. So 89 minus 35. 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. So 54 degrees. And then 60 minus 32 is 28 minutes. So x is equals to the second angle is equals to 54 degrees 28 seconds. Degrees, minutes and seconds. Then you have to follow these steps. Angle 1 as it is. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 90 degrees. So angle 1 we know that 50 degrees 45 minutes and 22 seconds plus angle 2 we don't know that. So we have to assume it as the x is equals to 90 degrees. Write this as it is 50 degrees 45 minutes 22 seconds is plus x is equals to I am converting this 90 degrees to the degrees, minutes and seconds. So 90 I am writing it as a 89 degrees and then 1 minute I am writing it as a 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 89 degrees and then that 1 degree I am converting into the 59 minutes and then one more minute is there, no, that I am converting into the 60 seconds. So x is equals to 89 degrees, t 9 seconds, 59 minutes, 60 seconds minus, here it is in the plus, if it goes to the opposite side, minus 50 degrees, 45 minutes and then 22 seconds. Then answer is 38 seconds, 14 minutes, then 39 degrees. X is equals to 39 degrees, 14 minutes, 38 seconds. Good. If an angle they have given, if you want to find the supplement of an angle, we have to follow these steps. See here, first angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to sum of two angles is equals to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees. Angle 1 we know 84 degrees. Plus angle 2 we don't know, so that we have to assume it as a x. X is equals to 180 degrees. X is equals to 180 degrees minus 84 degrees. So angle x is equals to 96 degrees is the answer. So if you want to cross check, you can check it. One angle is 84, another angle is 96 degrees. If you add this total, you can get the 180 degrees for checking purpose. Okay. And then if any question has the degrees and then minutes, just follow these steps. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degrees. So angle 1 we know 88 degrees, 43 minutes, and then angle 2 we don't know, so we have to assume it as the x is equals to 180 degrees. This 180 degrees we have to convert into the degrees and then minutes. So 88 degrees, 43 minutes plus x is equals to 179 degrees and 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. So 60 minutes. So x is equals to 179 degrees, 60 minutes minus, here it is in the plus sign, if it goes to the opposite side then minus 88 degrees, 43 minutes. So 179, 80 minus 88, 17 minus 8 is 9, 91 degrees, and then 60 minus 43 is the 10 minus 3 is 7, 5 minus 4 is 1 minutes. So x is equals to 91 degrees, 17 minutes. Minutes and seconds. Follow these steps to solve that. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degrees. So angle 1 we know 129 degrees, 43 minutes, 24 seconds. Plus angle 2 we don't know, we have to assume it as the x is equals to 180 degrees. This 180 degrees we have to convert into the degrees minutes and seconds. So 129 degrees, 43 minutes, 24 seconds plus x is equals to 179 degrees, 59 minutes, 60 seconds. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So x is equals to 179 degrees, 59 seconds, 59 minutes, 60 seconds, minus, here it is in the plus sign, if it comes to the opposite to the equal to minus, 129 degrees, 43 minutes, 24 seconds. So x is equals to 60 minus 24 is the 36 seconds, and then 59 minus 43 is 9 minus 3, 6, and 5 minus 4 is 1. 16 minutes, and then 179 and then 129. So 50 degrees. Angle 2, that is x, is equals to 50 degrees, 16 minutes, 36 seconds. If any question like this, if they given in the ratio, then they are asked to find the two angles, means follow these steps. And we know that this 2 means the ratio if they have given, write it like this, 4x plus 5x is equals to, we need to find the complementary angle. So 2 angles is equals to the 90 degrees. So 4x plus 5x, remind this x same, right? X, then only add these numbers, digits only you just add it. 4 plus 5, 9. 9x is equals to 90 degrees. X is equals to 90 degrees. Here this 9 is multiplying the x. If it goes to the opposite side, then it will divide. So 90 degrees divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 10s are 90. 9 ones are 9, 9 10s are 90. Whenever you are dividing these two numbers, divide with the same number only. If it goes in the 9 table, then up also you just divide with the 9 table only. Don't use another table. So x is equals to 10. So we need to substitute in this ratio. So 4x is equals to 4 into 10 is equals to 40 degrees. Then 5x is equals to 5 into 10. Then 50 degrees. We know that if you add these two, we will get the 90 degrees. So one angle is, angle 1 is 40 degrees, angle 2 is 50 degrees. Another question, if an angle is 40 less than the 3 times of its supplement. Supplement, we know, supplement means 180 degrees. So 3 times of 40 degrees less than the supplement. So x, one angle we are taking it as the 3 into 180 minus x minus 40. X is equals to. So we need to find this x value. X is equals to 3, you have to multiply this way, this. So 180 into 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 is a 5. So 540 minus whatever your bracket is there, means you have to multiply 3 with both the numbers inside the bracket. 3 into x, 3x minus 40. So x is equals to, numbers you have to subtract. 540 minus 40. So 500 minus 3x. Then I am taking this x to the one side. So x plus 3x is equals to 500. 4x is equals to 500. X is equals to 500 divided by 4. Then next steps I am writing here. So x is equal to 500 divided by 4. So x is equal to 125 degrees. So we know we have find that x value. We have to substitute to find that two angles values. So one is 125. Another angle. So one angle we know. We need to find another angle. So one angle is x. This is 125 degrees. Another angle I am assuming it as a y is equal to 180 degrees. Y is equal to 180 degrees plus 125 degrees. Y is equal to, this is another angle, 180 degrees minus 125 degrees. Taking borrow, 10 minus 5 is 5 and then 7 minus 2 is 5. So 55 degrees. X is equal to 125, y is equal to 55 degrees. If any question, if you see like this, if they ask you to find the x, here you have to check it first. Here you can see it is a one complete rotation, that one complete angle. So this full angle is equals to the 360 degrees. So you have to add this all the angles, x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 20 is equals to 360 degrees. One complete rotation is equals to the 360 degrees. So x plus the x terms you just add. 2x plus 3x plus 4x, 7x, 8x, 9, 10x. 10x plus 20 is equals to 360 degrees. 10x is equals to 360 degrees. That is going this side. So minus 20 degrees. So 10x is equals to 340 degrees. So x is equals to, here it is dividing, if it goes, here it is multiplying, if it goes to the opposite of equal to, it will divide. So 340 by 10. 10 ones are 10, 34s are. So x is equals to 34 degrees. So same like that only, if any question they have given one angle and they ask you to find the other angles, you can follow this method. So they have given the 40 degrees, that is angle AOD is equals to 40 degrees. We know that any angle is opposite, vertically opposite angle also same. So what is the opposite for angle AOD? AOD. What is the opposite? This one. Angle BOC. So here angle AOD is 40 degrees. Same like that, angle BOC also 40 degrees. So angle BOC is equal to 40 degrees. BOC also 40 degrees. If you assume this is the straight line, so here angle AOC and then angle AOD is equals to the 180 degrees. Why? Because these two are the linear pair. So angle AOD plus angle AOC is equals to 180 degrees. So what we know that angle AOD is equals to 40 degrees. 40 degrees plus angle AOC is equals to 180 degrees. Angle AOC is equals to 180 degrees minus 40 degrees. So angle AOC is equals to 180 minus 40 is 140 degrees. Here we know that angle AOC is the 140 degrees means that what is the vertically opposite? Angle BOD. Angle BOD also same 140 degrees. Angle BOD is equals to 140. BOD is equals to 140 degrees.
Here, see here, identify angle pairs only. It may be adjacent or it may be adjacent and form the linear pair, or it is not the adjacent. You can check it here. Here first question they have given angle 1 and angle 2. See here angle 1 and then angle 1 and angle 2. This angle 1 and angle 2 have the same vertex. That is a B vertex. And then common side is there. Here see these two are lies in this side only. B and C points. It has a common side or arm. And then no common interior points. It don't have the no common interior points. That means it is not lies in the same line. All that. Okay. So it is, we are calling it as the first one only adjacent. Okay. And then second, see here, second question what they have given. Angle 2 and then angle 4. Here angle 2 and then angle 4. This both are lies in the same arm. Sorry, same side or same arm. That is BC. But it don't have the common vertex. Angle 2 have the vertex B and then angle 4 have the vertex C. So it is not the adjacent. Not adjacent. And then here see that angle 1 and angle 3. Here angle 1 and angle 3. It forms the straight line. Correct. So angle 1 and angle 3 not common sides. Don't have the common sides. And then B, it has the opposite rays. BC and then BR AB rays. So it is a linear, it forms a linear pair. Here are the some more examples for finding x value. Here see it is in the straight line. So angle BAD plus angle DAC is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because it is a straight line. So angle BAD how much? 2x plus angle DAC is equals to 5y plus 21 is equals to 180 degrees. So we know that x value is 27 degrees. We need to find the y value. So 2 into 27 degrees plus 5y plus 21 is equals to 180 degrees. So we have to multiply this two. 2 sevens are 40, 2 twos are 4 plus 1 54 plus 5y plus 21 is equals to 180 degrees. So first these two we have to add, that is 75 plus 5y is equals to 180 degrees. 5y is equals to, here it is adding and then if it goes to this side opposite to the equal to, it will subtract. So 180 minus 75. 5y is equals to 105. Y is equals to 105. Here it is multiplying. If it goes opposite to the equal to, it will divide. 5. 5 ones are 5, 21s are. So y is equals to 21 degrees. Then same like that here also, but here it is a complete angle. So we have to, all these angles is equals to the 360 degrees. So 4x plus x plus 40 plus 3x is equals to 360 degrees. 8x plus 40 is equals to 360 degrees. So 8x is equals to 360 degrees. If it goes this side, minus 40. So 8x is equals to 320. 8x is equals to 320 by 8. 8 ones are 8 fours are 32 and then 0. X is equals to 40. Next, this is also same, but here we need to think this is the 90 degrees. The symbol is right angle symbol. So 90 degrees. So x plus 3x plus 90 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. 4x plus 90 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. 4x is equals to 180 minus 90. 4x is equals to 90 degrees. X is equals to 90 degrees by 4. 4 ones are 4. 2s are 8 and then 1 is the remaining. One more 2 will remind us. So 5 are. You can do 90 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 1 is here and then 0. 4 2s are 8. So 2 and then point. I am taking 0 here. 4 5s are 20. So I got this answer. X is equals to 22.5. Now here 2x, this is a 90 degrees. So 2x plus 3x is equals to 90 degrees. And then here this one, it is, these angles are lies on the straight line. So 3x plus 4x is equals to 180 degrees. Here these all the angles are lies on the complete angle. So x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equals to 360 degrees. And then here what is the complementary angle means? All the angles is equals to the 90 degrees. Any two angles is equals to the two or more angles is equals to the 90 degrees. And then supplementary means two or more angles is equals to the 180 degrees. Equals to 180 degrees. Two or more angles. And then here this one, that vertically opposite. Any two angles is vertically opposite. Here x is vertically opposite angles are equal. So x is equals to z and then y is equals to w. The value of x is equals to the value of z and the value of y is equals to the value of